United States has fired an Iranian boat in the northern Persian Gulf, and the United States Navy fired on the Iranian Navy in Iranian maritime territory in the northern Persian Gulf. And the Iranian patrol boat was small and no threat, whereas the US ship was big and was armed and ready to fire as it showed. Could people imagine the reaction if three Iranian ships in the Gulf of Mexico fired on the United States Navy in United States maritime waters? It doesn't bear thinking about the hypocrisy here. There were 35 provocative actions by the United States in the Persian Gulf during 2016, and this was an increase from 23 such incidents by the US in the Persian Gulf during 2015.